Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete recent files in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. This ensures that all system processes are running smoothly before you begin making any changes. Once everything has loaded and you can see your desktop, you're ready to proceed with clearing out those recent files. Now direct your attention to the Start menu, which is the Windows icon you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Once it opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Run and you'll notice the Run app appears in the search results. Click on it to launch the Run dialog box. This is a quick access tool that lets you open various folders and settings without having to navigate through multiple menus. In the Run dialog box that appears, you'll see a text field where you can enter commands. Type in Recent and then press Enter on your keyboard. This command directly opens your Quick Access Recent folder, which is where Windows 11 stores shortcuts to all the files you've opened recently. The folder window will now appear on your screen, displaying a complete list of all your recent files and documents that you've accessed. Now comes the easy part. To select all these files at once, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. You'll notice that all the files in the folder are now highlighted, indicating they're selected. This keyboard shortcut saves you the hassle of manually clicking each file individually, especially if you have dozens or even hundreds of recent files accumulated over time. With all the files selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove all the selected recent file shortcuts from your Quick Access folder, effectively clearing your recent files history in Windows 11. And that's it! You've successfully cleared out your recent files, giving you a cleaner Quick Access folder and more privacy regarding your recent activity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.